Hello everyone, Julian here from the Healthy New Living unofficial support hub, which is healthynewliving.net. And today we're going to be talking about New Brain Plus formula and one of the powerful brain boosting ingredients that is in this New Brain Plus formula, and that is green tea extract. Not just green tea, not just green tea crushed up, but green tea extract. Why does New Brain Plus formula have this green tea extract, and what's the big deal about it? Just a quick disclaimer, I make no health claims about New Brain Plus formula. What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about one of the key ingredients, and we're going to look at some of the scientific evidence and some of the anecdotal evidence in support of possible health effects. Now, we have known about the effects of green tea for centuries, and particularly the Japanese and the Chinese. The rest of the world is only now catching on. The plant used is the Camellia sinensis plant, and this is the exact same plant that is used to make white tea and black tea. It might be the same plant, but there is a big difference in the effect when you compare green tea to black tea and white tea, because green tea has not undergone the decay and oxidation that other teas have. And that's why I'm really stoked that Healthy New Living have included it in the New Brain Plus formula, because all of the goodies are in that green tea. It's full of polyphenols, also known as catechins. There have been many studies that seem to support the health benefits of polyphenols. Specifically, it appears that this particular compound has an antioxidant effect which neutralizes free radicals in the body. Now, free radicals are believed to amplify the aging process, and that's the whole aging process, including the aging of the brain, which we don't want to happen, believe me. Now, green tea extract, what does the evidence say? So let's look at the evidence, and that's all we're going to do. We're not going to make health claims, but I've linked to a study which I just read that showed that people taking green tea extract experienced more weight loss. And this was a scientific study. They gave the green tea extract to one group of people, and the other group had a placebo, and they found that the people taking the green tea extract experienced more weight loss. And there are some reasons why I won't go into. Harvard University have put out a study, and they believe it may support cardiovascular health. Now, that's because of the anti-aging, the protective, the antioxidants, which stop the body from aging, or don't stop it, but stop some of the damage and slows it down. And another study which I've linked to found that it's got a protective effect to cellular function. So right down to your cells, it's protecting. And there's a review of research which found it may improve cognition, benefits in memory and attention, and brain function. And that's what we are excited about. And that's why this particular extract is in the Healthy New Living New Brain Plus formula. And the New Brain Plus formula is absolutely jam-packed with all of the top brain boosting compounds. They're known as nootropics, and this is why this is such a top shelf product. If you are looking to get the edge in memory, improve your cognition, improve creativity. Look, I'm not going to make claims about it, but there's a lot of anecdotal evidence out there, and you need to make a judgment yourself whether you think it's having an effect or whether you think everybody's just making it up. All right, I've done those studies. Now we move on to the anecdotal evidence. So these are people taking this particular supplement, and remember, New Brain Plus formula has many different types of brain boosting supplement in. These people are just talking about the green tea extract alone. They're saying cognitive function boost, good choice, high quality and effective, restored mental sharpness, gives you an immediate boost mentally and physically. Look, that's what people are saying, and that's what scientific studies have been saying as well. Okay, so this is not just snake oil. Are all these people lying? Are the scientists lying? They're not. Okay, so the New Brain Plus formula is a very powerful supplement to take. Now, there are even more studies. Okay, now we're going to look at what these are specifically saying. Now, these are green tea extract studies. Okay, I'm not saying this about New Brain Plus formula. All I can say is that New Brain formula has got green tea extract in it. But this study is another one saying that it was found to have clear beneficial effects on sustained attention, memory, and suppression of distraction. So if you're one of these people that gets distracted all the time, okay, that's all I'm going to say about that. Can green tea extract burn fat? I mean, these are just some extra benefits for this compound. There was an exhaustive study that did a review of many other different studies and found that there appears to be evidence that consumption of green tea extract, which is inside New Brain Plus formula, has been shown to increase fat oxidation and energy expenditure. Does green tea extract help athletes? Another study which I've linked to, they gave this supplement to sprinters and they didn't know they were taking it, okay? The other group were taking something which was just going to have no effect, a placebo effect. The ones that took this extract were able to run further and recover faster than they did previously before they took it. Okay, so in another study, they gave a group of runners this supplement for 4 weeks, and once again, they found it seemed to protect them from oxidative stress and improve recovery. It's an amazing substance. Can green tea extract protect the heart? Another study from 2012, they gave this green tea extract to extremely unhealthy participants. These guys and gals were obese and they had high blood pressure, and the study concluded that green tea extract reduces blood pressure, inflammatory biomarkers, so it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, and improves parameters associated with insulin resistance in obese hypertension, which means high blood pressure patients. Okay, so that is a study, and that is talking about what they found for green tea extract. Okay, I'm not saying you're going to get all of these effects from New Brain Plus formula. All I'm saying is New Brain Plus formula contains this very ingredient. It's all about the catechins, okay? Now, catechins are these phenolic substances that are abounding in tea. You'll also find them in chocolate and certain berries. These compounds are known to have this strong protective antioxidant effect, particularly one which is called epigallocatechin, or EGCG. And this is the strongest one, and this one is not the only one present inside green tea extract, which is inside New Brain Plus formula. There are in fact 3 others which are listed below. Now, when green tea extract is put into New Brain Plus formula, it is in an extracted format, so it's got high EGCG content. Now, this is important because it's got all the good stuff without being loaded up on the caffeine, whereas there are some lower quality supplements which just sort of crush up the leaves, and it's less effective, and it's just got all caffeine in it as well. I mean, a bit of caffeine's great, but you don't want to have too much of it. So you want to have a high quality extract like New Brain Plus formula. And there's the other polyphenols that are inside this green tea extract, which is inside New Brain Plus formula. All right, so that's my review of of that particular ingredient of New Brain Plus formula. Guys, if you want more info, if you want to talk to me, head over to HealthyNULiving.net, and you'll see a little chat thing on the bottom, and you can just send me a message to get more information. I'll put a link to the website below. See you very soon on another video.